Oh my goodness, Lenny is back. Our star is back. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for representing us in America. AGT, baby. You became number 5 on Zimbabwe. And so proud of you, boy. That's our boy. Lenny boy, Lenny boy. Let me just switch into my vernacular. I just want to thank you in the Zimbabwean way. Lenny. Kuchiko, by the way. Mukaenda kuma international sinzuku. Gonaiwo craft wakomana waingozhinya content yacho ndocha naileni aiwa msadari wakomana wakaenda kwa America nenyasha kama zwenzi favor yamwari it's unexplainable how that person went there but hey rado jabade hey then kupinda musofa but aiona tiri kudzimba dzevarume wedu ndiye munhu that's the best of Zimbabwe unonyara. Yeah, so be shielded with the best comedians. You know them, they are known in Zimbabwe. You know, Wakwenda Kushoko Festival, you know, go and be shielded with the mentors. So that now when you go anywhere, since we're an international exposure, utimikroji nani. Handiti, ndakanyara hiyo. Chilegani chiswitcha ku English ka vafunga kuti ndikukudza zvokupemberera. You know, we are so